vision of this fund, we would want to see the chairperson, and I agree with the Honorable Junet, let East African breweries start by announcing their donation, because he is in that committee, in that fund, by virtue of the organization she represents. She should lead by example by announcing a couple of billions as a contribution to this fund, and then the rest of us can follow suit. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Well, of course, honourable members, also to draw your attention to one thing that, yes, the fund may have been established, but remember, if this House was to disapprove, then it would have to be disbanded. It cannot properly. And I think this is now the right opportunity for you to begin the oversight of the functioning of that fund. So our committee here, our committee, whichever committee, now has an opportunity to begin oversighting, including checking on all those things that we are saying. What is doing that? We don't just want to be told that there are people who are sitting doing what? We want to know all those things that you just said, Honorable Gachagua, and I think many of you have raised these issues. If you are able to approve this, then you now have the fund under your grip by way of oversight. This Honorable Rwenda, is it? No, not Rwenda, it's another one, this one. Honorable Mishi, you know, as you can see, the many books, I was aware that the supplementary estimates have been brought, and they can only be tabled in the next sitting. So, honourable members, I'm just pleading. I wish it is 5. It is 5. We are going to adjourn at 6 for the staff to also travel. I mean, that's a new. It's too difficult, honourable members. Let me just put the question that the mover be called upon to reply. Because many as that opinion say aye. Those of personal opinion say no. The ayes have it. Mover. Mover.
I beg to reply.
I put the question, which is that this House adopts the report of the Committee on Delegated Legislation on its consideration of the Public Finance Management in brackets COVID-19 Emergency Response Fund Regulations 2020, laid on the table of the House on Tuesday, April 14, 2020, and pursuant to the provisions of Section 24, subsection 4 of the Public Finance Management Act of 2012, approves the Public Finance Management COVID Emergency Response Fund Regulations 2020, published its legal notice number 38 of 2020. Will as many as that opinion say aye? Aye. As many as contrary opinion say no? The ayes have it. Honourable members, that there was indication that the Tax Laws Amendment Bill has been overtaken by events. We have to adjourn. Honourable members, we adjourn at 5. We are back for the second sitting, 5:05.
Chambati anaweza kutoka. Chambati. Use your seat. Here is the area. You have the communication, the speaker. Is that the second brief? That brief. Is this for the second sitting? Hey, Badilisha, the speaker is coming in 2 minutes. And the papers delayed. Another order paper. The speaker. Brief. Yes, kidogo.